And are they demonic? Like the bipolar, the psychosis, the epilepsy, hizo zote, are they demonic? Is there a connection?
The one thing I came to learn, first of all, psychology and God, same WhatsApp group, they are connected because God is the one who created everything, even that psychology. He knew it would come. Apparently, nimetumwa kuinfiltrate church. I was just hungry, bro. I didn't have the psych to dance around. I was just hungry. But nilikuja nikaekwa bare, nikangongwa, nikaangushwa kwa floor, nikanyongwa, nikaskribiwa, kutoa demons. Anyway.
Wow, we are so sorry.
Actually, hii ni story ingine tutawapostia pale kwa podcast yetu. Mi nilitandikwa kwa church yenyewe ati niko na mashetani nikashuda.
Oh, yo.
That's a whole other story. Like I was beaten up.
Kutoa demons.
Hey,